Hi Louie in the UK. My today's job. I'm with my baby at the moment. Sun's in her eyes. Say hi. She's about 6-7 weeks old. He's about 6. Tino. Aren't you cute? Yeah? So this is where I am. Let me just sit down a minute. Ooh. There was a rough spot here at the bottom of the arch, so I've grinded it all back. I've cure rusted inside and probably just going to push that back in, weld a little bit of metal there, and then paint it. Nice simple job. But then I found this. The problem you've got is, let me just get on the floor, is the one that's on there is a mess. But it is rock solid. So I'm like, do I replace or not? I want to teach myself how to do a jacking point outrigger or whatever they call them. Because there's, on this vehicle, I would say there's 2 others that need doing. Now the 2 on this side are good. See? Can't really see. That's good. Let's go over to the other one. Not amazing, but pretty rock solid compared to the other one. Let's go around the other side of the vehicle. I just think this vehicle deserves to have okay jacking points. It's such a nice car. There's so little rust in it. So let's have a look. So let me get on my knee. Yeah, so it's been patched out. Not good. Pretty crap, but I can see it's rock solid. But then on this one, it's really good. It's been replaced. See that one? Then we can move it to the side. Yeah, it's been replaced. I can't really see, but it's been replaced, and I just think it deserves to have good jacking points. So that's my plan. My plan is, I haven't decided yet, but I'm gonna probably cut that one out, put that one in. Part number 9555811 and 9555832. It's definitely 69 to 72. Anyway, I wonder what I'll decide. Still don't know. I've got a sunny day today on lockdown. We're just about to now in. Dog stop going. Oh, Yasmin's okay. They're just about to announce pubs can open. I think they can announce it, reduce it to 1 metre today.